What is excess in car insurance? Just like some other forms of insurance, such as travel or home and contents insurance, car insurance can have an excess payment. It's the charge you pay after making a claim in order to receive the benefits that your policy entitles you to, such as repair or replacement of your vehicle. You normally only have to pay an excess charge if you're at mistake or can't find another party to blame. By paying in excess, you're taking on a small part of the financial risk, which helps to reduce your premiums. If a third party is found to be responsible, your insurance company will seek reimbursement from the third party or their insurance company. Ensure you review the product disclosure statement for policy inclusions, limitations, and exclusions. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.